Hello and welcome to today's podcast of Mathematical Research and the Challenge. I'm your host, Dr. Kifayat Ullah, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance and Online Education, Chandigarh University. And I'm delighted to bring to you a very special guest, Dr. Naveen Kumar sir, Associate Professor in the Department of Mathematics at Chandigarh University. Dr. Naveen is known for his remarkable contributions to fixed point theory, analysis, and dynamical systems. He has mentored numerous master's and PhD students and continues to be a guiding light for many budding researchers. Dr. Naveen, welcome to today's podcast.
Thank you. I'm really glad to be a part of this discussion.
Thank you very much, sir. So let's start as can you briefly introduce your research area and what fascinates you towards the fixed point theory and dynamical system?
Okay, Dr. Kifayat, my research area is fixed point theory and applications. Fixed point theory actually deals with the study of those points which remains unaltered under some conditions. The conditions may be imposed upon the points, maybe the functions, mappings, or maybe different type of spaces. It is actually a fundamental branch of mathematics that has a large number of applications in optimizations, numerical analysis, game theory, economics, and differential equations. And obviously, I find it fascinating because it provides this strong theoretical foundation with practical implications across disciplines.
Thank you, sir. Sir, as you have published a significant number of research papers in your field, so what challenge have you faced in publishing and the research process?
Sir, actually, one of the biggest challenges is to find the novel problems that can contribute meaningfully and significantly to the field. And even we also have the extensive literature surveys, and some of the common challenges that we face during our research are like data collection and analysis, choosing the right journal,
Exactly.
and long waiting time of the journal, and maybe the responses you can say.
Exactly.
And obviously we were also facing the funding and publication charges issue too. Still we overcome and did the research.
Oh, great. So, as someone who has guided the numerous number of masters and PhD students, what your students have faced the challenge in research?
Actually, many students struggle in choosing the right research problem, you can say. So I encourage them to read widely, have extensive literature surveys, and even I encourage them to go and attend the workshops, short-term training programs, and even participate in the national and international conferences and develop critical thinking skills.
Oh, that's great. So, there are mathematical societies as well. So, what's your opinion? How mathematical societies what are their role in the mathematical research, development of mathematical research?
Yeah,
mathematical
Dr. Prasad,
societies.
that's a nice question. Actually, being a member of the professional societies, the researchers can connect with the experts of the various fields. For example, you can say the applied mathematics, physics, and computer sciences. And even I remember that when I was doing the manual calculations for my iterations, then one of my colleague suggested me to collaborate with the computer science faculties and develop such algorithms that can solve the manual calculations within a second. And believe me, when we applied and found some and created, you can say, the
Exactly.
algorithms that has the minimum CPU time, and that helped us a lot.
Okay, so as you know, I'm also a mathematics teacher. So the collaboration is that's not broad in the mathematical areas.
Right.
So as what can you say about how you are approaching the collaboration in your area, sir?
Yeah. I actually believe in interdisciplinary collaborations. So I, as already told you, that I used to guide the students and even motivate them to visit different universities, meet the researchers, scientists, and have the conferences also and present your work. So in that case, you can collaborate with the others also, and you can have the access the resources available by them.
By them, exactly.
Yeah.
So, what are your suggestions for the young mathematicians who have just started the research? Sir?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I would like to suggest those young researchers who are actually starting their career in the research, to have patience and persistence. Both are the actual key factors. If you have mathematics is not about the quick results, but contributing to the long term knowledge. So you have to sometimes wait, and delays may be possible, so you should be a patience.
Obviously, you have experienced it from your students. So, but since you have guided the so many master students, so budding researchers,
Definitely.
so what are the misconceptions in the, especially in the students about the mathematical
Very,
research?
very nice question, actually, Dr. Kifayat, by you. Actually, many people think that mathematics is about solving equations. It is not like that. You very well know. In reality, it actually involves the logical reasoning,
Yeah.
deep reasoning, creativity, and definitely you can say you can create the algorithms that I said to find the fixed point iterations as well.
That's great. So, see, now this podcast will be watched by the so many faculties as well. So, as you are a teacher as well as the researcher, how you are balancing and managing these both of the responsibilities?
Okay, all right. Actually, teaching and research is an art of time management. So the effective time management and planning will definitely help you. I also, apart from the teaching, I spare some time to do the research work. Even my researchers, my PhD scholars are not here. They are far from this university, and still they are connected with me through the social platform. You can say, like Google Meet, we connect them, and we definitely do the research work.
So we should be in connection. That means we should be in contact for the week, for the at least one or two meetings with the
We regular
supervisors.
have the meetings on Saturday and Sundays for
So
the research process.
yeah, so exactly we can say the mentoring is important.
Yes.
So what role does mentorship plays in shaping a research scholar, sir?
Definitely, mentorship is crucial. A good mentor does not provide the guidance and support you. Even he will encourage you to do the participation in the national conferences, workshops, and short-term training programs. And even I encourage my students to have the literature survey, extensive literature surveys, you can say, and read widely if you want to do something in research.
Exactly. So they are not only the confined area of the mathematics, since we can say that every area, scientific area, whether the social science areas as well, so they are related to the mathematics. So what are the some most promising and exciting area in mathematical research today, especially from your perspective, sir?
Yeah, definitely the most important area yet that today's world, you can say the fractal geometry,
Exactly.
AI assisted mathematics, artificial intelligence and machine learning, advanced topology, and even biological mathematics are rapidly growing.
Yeah, I'm also doing the research in the fractal
Definitely.
geometry and fixed point theory. So, Dr. Naveen, it has been absolutely pleasure to discuss this, what we can say, the depth and the scope of mathematical research. So, your insights into this, the reality, the challenge, and the joy of the journey have been incredibly valuable, not only for me, only for all the listeners. So thank you very much, sir,
Welcome, sir.
for taking just you scheduled your time accordingly and gave your valuable time to us. That's all for today's episode of Mathematical Research and the Challenge. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the beauty of mathematics. Until next time, goodbye.